Hello and welcome to Cooking with Fee. Today for lunch I'm going to cook bottom of the fridge soup. So that's basically everything that's lurking at the bottom of your fridge that you really don't want to throw away but can't find another thing to do with it. So here we've got some courgettes from my garden, so I've got hundreds of courgettes. I've got some spring onions which have definitely seen slightly better days. I've got some celery, I've got some tomatoes, I've got some carrots, and in this bag here I've got some kale. So let's get prepping. So here I've got my bowl, because there's going to be quite a few bits that come off this. So yeah, rather lame spring onions. Let's take the bend off them, I think. Ooh, there's a little bit of a peel. They can quite often last a little bit longer than you think they're going to by peeling them. There as well. So basically what we're going to do is just chop everything up into fairly even sized pieces, stick it in a saucepan with some water and a stock cube. You can use a vegetable stock cube or you can use a chicken stock cube. Just cook it for 20 minutes or so until it's all nice and soft, and then we'll stick it in a blender. Hey ho, we've got our own homemade soup. There's the courgettes going in. Now, as you know, I'm absolutely convinced none of us eat enough vegetables. So this soup will give you a really big boost of vegetables. And you can use anything that's knocking around in the bottom of the fridge, within reason. I have got a beetroot lurking in there, but I don't think I want anything to be purple. I don't really fancy purple soup today. Not to say I wouldn't fancy a beetroot soup another day, but we'll just keep it quite nice and vegetable garden soup. There we go. I'm not going to peel these carrots because they're already washed and they're also organically grown, so it shouldn't be too much of an issue with the skin. Just, oh, runaway carrot. Let's chop those up. Oh, runaway carrot again. I think that's probably enough carrot to go in there. So then finally we've got some kale. And I have picked it all through so there's no slimy bits. So obviously kale can go slimy in the bottom. Right, so we'll just fill this up with water. So we're just going to add a vegetable stock cube and then pop it on the hob for 20 minutes. Okay, so our vegetables have been cooking for about 20 minutes and we've cooled them ever so slightly, otherwise your blender will explode. So we're going to stick them in the blender. Now, the thing is with green soup, it can look a little bit swampy. So I'm hoping, oh gosh, it's so messy. I'm hoping it shouldn't look too bad. The swampy soup, it'll taste fine. It just looks a bit like Shrek's dinner. Yep, that definitely looks like Shrek's lunch. Okay, so we're going to keep doing that in small batches until the whole thing is blended, and then you pop it back in the pan and heat it through and then serve it. And here's our final soup. So as you can see, it is a bit green, that's due to the kale and the courgettes, but it'll taste delicious. And here's our finished soup. I can't wait to try it. I put a bit of salt and pepper in there, a bit of seasoning, and I bought these scones at the market today, so I'm really looking forward to trying those as well. That's really good. If you want the recipe and further information, please go to my website www.cookingwithfee.com. You'll find all sorts of stuff there. Thank you. Bye.